work and energy. What do you see in all these pictures? We can see that everybody is doing some kind of work. For a layman, the term work is any physical or mental activity. But in physics, the term work has a different meaning altogether. If we observe the above depictions according to physics, let us see what happens. In the first scene, man is pushing the wall, and in the second scene, a boy is studying. Have they done any work? No. According to physics, they have not covered any distance, so no work is done. Now, in the other two depictions, we see that horse and woman have covered some distance, so they have done some work according to physics. Hey students, don't get discouraged because as per physics, you are not doing any work while you are studying. But I know you are doing a lot of mental work. Similarly, when you are playing, you think you are not doing any work because you are playing. But in physics, work is being done. So work, as per physics, is defined differently than the way we think about work in common day-to-day language. Let us understand what work actually is in physics. Work is said to be done when a force acts and the object moves in the direction of force. As we see in this example, force is being applied on the object and it is moving from its initial position to another position. There are two conditions which need to be satisfied for the work to be done on a body. A force should act on the body. The body must be displaced in the direction of force. If we look at the above examples, when a child is studying, no force is being applied. So condition 1 is not satisfied and hence no work is done. In the case when man is pushing the wall, man is applying force but there is no displacement. So condition 2 is not satisfied and hence no work is done. In the case of horse pulling the wagon, both conditions 1 and 2 are satisfied. Hence, work is being done. In the case of woman pushing the grocery cart, both conditions 1 and 2 are satisfied. Hence, work is being done. So, we can say that work is the product of the force exerted on the body and the distance moved by the body in the direction of force. If F is the force applied on the body and S is the distance covered by the object in its own direction, then work, W, can also be shown as this equation. But the distance covered by the object in its own direction is called displacement. So, we can conclude that work done in moving a body is equal to the product of force and the displacement of the body in the direction of force. Work done is equal to force into displacement in the direction of force.